Hello my people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your turmeric powder using only one ingredient. As you can see, it's so easy. All you needed is only the turmeric root for you to get it done. Sometimes some people cannot recognize the difference between the turmeric and ginger. Turmeric is more yellowish than ginger. As you can see, I already washed them. I'm gonna slice them into tiny pieces. I have to slice them into tiny pieces so that it's easy to dry up with the dehydrator. You can see all done, cutting them up. I'll be transferring them into my dehydrator, and this will take like 24 hours for it to dry up. Because I want it to dry very well. I'm gonna set the temperature to 70 degrees Celsius under 14 hours. Feel free to adjust your timing based on the brand of dehydrator you're using. So I'm using this one, and the temperature, I think 70 will be okay for it, and within 14 hours one should be dried. Now you can see all dried. I'll be getting them ready to blend them. See, very dry. Now I'll be putting it into my blender for it to get blended. You can use a grinder or a powerful wall breaker blender for you to get it blended, because it's so hard. You see, it's already blended. I'll be sieving it now so that I can sieve out the chaff. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I have finished the sieving. You can see the chaff. I'll still blend it again with my coffee machine. All done. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time on my next video. Remember to subscribe, like what we are doing, share, comment. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.